So we have the equations of tangent and normal lines. So bali ito ay application ng differentiation formulas natin wherein dito naman naka-incorporate yung analytic geometry natin. So pwede natin kuhanin yung equation ng normal and tangent line using concept of differential calculus. Okay. But before we proceed with the equations of normal and tangent lines, dun muna tayo sa slope of a curve. Kasi ang slope ay kailangan natin sa pagkuha ng equation ng normal and tangent line. Okay, so ano ba ang slope of a curve? So paano siya marirelate sa derivative or differential calculus? So the slope of a curve at a given point is defined as the slope of the tangent line at the point of tangency. So ang given point is also the point of tangency. So doon nakasalat yung ating tangent line. Yung slope ng curve sa point na yon, yun din ang slope ng ating tangent line. Okay. And from the concept and principle of derivative, so we define the slope of tangent line at point xy equal to the derivative of y with respect to x. So we have a function here, y equals f of x. So ang derivative ng function, yun ang slope ng tangent line at point xy. Wherein we're going to solve for the derivative of y with respect to x, and we're going to replace x by the value of the given point. Okay. So from this definition, we can conclude that the slope of the curve y equals f of x at point AB, wherein this point is also the point of tangency, is equal to f prime of A. So ano ba yung f prime? F prime represents first derivative. Okay, so we have first derivative for f prime. And yung A ay ang value ng x. So meaning we're going to find first this first derivative and we're going to replace x by the given point. Okay. So ano ba ang tinatawag na tangent line? Ano ba ang point of tangency? So paano ba 'yon? 'Di ba kung meron tayong given curve, halimbawa ito yung curve natin and meron ditong isang given point. So diyan sasalat yung isang line natin. Ito yung ating tangent line. This is the point of tangency. So yung point ng curve na to, so this is y equals f of x. Yung point, yung slope no, ng curve at this given point, so this is AB, is equal to the slope of this straight line, wherein this line is our tangent line. So pag kinuha mo yung slope ng tangent line natin, di ba, with this point of tangency, yun ang slope ng curve at that given point. Kasi nagbabago ang slope ng curve sa bawat point. So kung meron kang curve, halimbawa ito curve natin, ang slope dito ay iba sa slope dito. Iba rin dito. Diba? Iba rin ang slope dyan. Nagbabago-bago ang slope ng ating curve different points. So isang paraan para makuha yung slope ng curve at that point is yung slope ng tangent line natin. Okay, so kaya nga equal yung slope ng curve doon sa slope ng tangent line at that given point. Okay, solve tayo ng problem. So since ang ating tangent line, yung slope niya at given point is defined as the derivative, so yun din ang gagawin natin sa slope ng curve at a given point. We're going to find the first derivative, then solve for the value using the given points. Okay. Erase natin. So example number 1, we have a given curve y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1, and we're going to find the slope of that curve at point negative 2, 11. Itong negative 2, 11 ay part ng curve. Pag chinek mo yan, dapat mag-i-equal, ano? So, when x equals negative 2, natin kung mag-i-equal siya, ano? Dapat yung part ng curve. When x equals negative 2, so ito ay magiging 4, di ba? Positive 4 yan. Negative 2 squared is 4. Minus negative 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Plus 1. So, magiging 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11. So, ito ay part ng curve. Na. Okay. Natin. Solve natin muna. Solution. So, ang pinapahanap ay ang slope. And slope represents first derivative. Okay. So, we have y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. And to find the slope, so we're going to find the first derivative of the function. Then differentiate natin. Differentiating, so we're going to find the first derivative. So mag-differentiate tayo. Differentiating, we have y prime equals, so ang derivative ng x squared is 2x minus 3. Derivative ng 3x ay 3. Derivative ng 1 ay 0. So our y prime is equal to 2x minus 3. Yan yung ating y prime. So kukuhanin natin ang value ng y prime doon sa given point. Okay, at point 2 negative 1, negative 2, 11. At point negative 2, 11. What will be the value of our y prime? So since y prime is equal to 2x minus 3, so ang variable mo lang dyan ay x. May value ang x, negative 2. So replace natin yung x by negative 2. So y prime will become 2 times negative 2 minus 3. Then simplify natin. Y prime is now equal to 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 3. Combine natin, negative 4 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 7. So the slope of the line at point negative 2, 11 is negative 7. So yan ang slope ng line. At yan ang slope ng curve, or rather at point negative 2, 11. So we have negative 7. Okay, so ganyan ang pagkuha ng slope. Kaya inaaral tong slope muna kasi kailangan natin ng slope sa equation ng normal at tangent line. So ang pagkuha ng slope is first derivative, diba? And then we're going to use the given point to find the value of y prime since y prime is our slope. Kasi nga ang first derivative represents the slope of a curve at a given point. Okay. Another one, so for example, before we proceed to equations of normal and tangent line. Palitan rin natin yung problem. No? So, given ang slope, nawawala ang point. Okay. So, erase muna natin lahat yan. So number 2, at what point the slope of the curve y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1 will be 9 or will be equal to 9? So anong point ang slope ng curve ay magiging 9? Okay. Same procedure lang tayo dito, no? Kung paano ginagawa sa paggawa ng slope, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. Baka sabihin nyo parang ang hirap na bigla, no? Nabaligtad. So pero meron tayong same procedure. So, paano ang ginagawa kanina? We're going to find the first derivative. Okay, so solution. Again, given equation of the curve, y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. And to find the slope, we're going to find first the first derivative. Okay, so y prime, differentiate natin. Differentiate. Okay, we have differentiating. Okay, so we have y prime, derivative ni y, equals, derivative ng x squared ay 2x, minus 3. Derivative ni 3x ay 3, derivative ng 1 ay 0. So y prime equals 2x minus 3. Ang binigay ngayon dito ay slope ng curve. Okay, ano? So binigay sa atin yung slope. The slope of the curve ay equals sa 9. So ito yung slope, no, ng curve natin. 9. So may value ang slope. Slope ang may value. Palitan natin. Okay. If the slope slope is 9, so meaning y prime is equal to 9. Since y prime represents our slope, then 9 is now equal to 2x minus 3. Okay. To solve for x, so i-transpose natin yung negative 3. Diba? Kailangan kasi matra sa isang side na equation mo, yun lang hinahanap, which is x. Transpose tayo. Then, magiging ano yan? 9 plus 3. Diba? Ang hinahanap kasi dito ay point. Diba? Ang point ay x and y. So, yung x ay nasa equation. Ayun, 3x. Diba? Nag-derivative tayo, 2x. So, we're going to solve for the value of x. Then, 9 plus 3 equals 2x. Ito, nalipat to magiging plus 3. So, we will have 12 equals 2x. Palit ng pwesto muna. Equal naman yan. 2x equals 12. Palitan ng pwesto. To solve for x, we divide both sides by 2. Okay. So, para makancel yung 2, kaya divide both sides by 2 para maiwan lang ay x. Then, x is now equal to 12 over 2 is 6. So, meron na tayong value ng x. Ang pinapahanap ay point. Dapat, kukunin mo rin yung kanya ka-partner. Hindi naman sinabing ano lang x lang kukunin natin. So, paano kunin yung y? Ito ang equation ni y. Y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. Meron tayong nakuhang x equals 6. So, we're going to solve for the value of y. To solve for y, okay, usin natin. Solve for y. Y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, erase natin. So, meron tayo na solve na value ng x which is 6. So, we're going to replace x by 6. Then, y equals 6 squared minus 3 times 6 plus 1. Then, y equals 6 times 6 is 36. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1. Then y equals 36 minus 18 is 18 plus 1. So we have 19. So therefore, the point where the slope of the curve is 9, the point where the slope of the curve y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1 is 9. Okay. Is at x is 6, y is 19. So the point where the slope of the curve y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1 is 9 is at 6, 19. So ganun pa rin siya, no? Same procedure. First derivative ka lang. So ang nabago lang dito, hindi x ang given yung slope na. So ganun pa rin, no? Papalitan mo yung slope, x naman ang solve natin dito. Sa halip na y prime solve natin. Pag nakuha mo na yung x, kunin mo na yung partner niyang y, gamit yung equation ng curve. Yung kasi ang y equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. And we will get the point 6, 19. So yan ang concept ng slope. Yan ang kailangan natin gamitin sa pagkuha ng equation of tangent and normal lines.